For 16.2 task 1, we are going to be working on box plots. So a box plot is a graph that shows how the data is distributed, so how it is spread out, and it uses 4 quadrants to do that, or quartiles. So quarter means 4, so we're breaking it up into 4 different sections. So we have the median, we'll have the quartiles, the lowest, and the biggest values. So a quartile, we're going to break the data into half with the median. We're going to find the middle. And we're going to have a lower quartile at the front and an upper quartile with the bigger numbers at the back. And we're going to break those up into 2 groups. We're going to have a fourth, there's our middle, a fourth, a fourth. So we're seeing how the data is distributed. So this one says, consider the prices for sports jackets that Slavic found. So here's all of his jackets. Find the median, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile. So first, how do we find the median? We need to put them in order. So to find the median, we put the data in order and find the middle, right? Our median is the middle there. So now we're going to go ahead and find the median. So we need to put all of these jackets in order. So you can see a jacket that is $40, then $54. We've got $69, and then $78. We've got $85, $89, and then we've got $95 there. So we're going to find the middle. So these jackets are connected, these jackets are connected. And so our median is 78. So the middle jacket costs $78. So now we can kind of see we've broken this into half. So here's the lower quartile, here's the upper quartile. So lower, upper. So we're cutting it in half. Now this one is all by itself. It's not going to go to either side because it was all by itself. So the lower quartile is the median of the lower half. So we have these 3 numbers here. So we have 40, 54, and 69 are the lower quartile. And we're going to find the median of that. So these connect are quartile 1. So the lower quartile is 54. So Q1 equals 54. So here's Q1. The median is Q2. So here's Q2, or the median. Now we're going to find Q3. We're going to break the upper quartile into its groups. So the numbers are 85, 89, and 95. So we're going to find the middle. So the middle is 89. So Q3 is 89. So here's Q3, and then Q4 is at the end. So you can see 1 section, 2 sections, 3, 4 sections. So now we're going to put them into this box plot here. So we're going to start with the least. The jacket that is the lowest is $40. And then our lower quartile, our Q1, was 54. Oh, let's just have it. Whoops. Yeah, it's just making us put these in order. Then we have 69 here. So, okay. And then we have our median is 78. I didn't realize what it was doing. Sorry. We're just putting them in order from least to greatest. Then after 78, we have 85. Then 89. And 95. So we can see, right, here's the middle. The median is 78. And then the middle of the front half is 54. And the middle of the back half is 89. And now I know it does not ask you to do this, but we're going to practice making a box plot here. So we're going to, on your paper, bottom there, we're going to make a number line. We're going to go from 40 to 95. So 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Okay, so right in our median, we're going to put a 78. We're going to make a line for 78. It's kind of right in the middle there. So there's our first one. And then we're going to make another line for our lower quartiles, 54. So another line there. And then we're going to make another line for our upper quartile, 89. And we're going to connect those to make the boxes. So here's our box for our box plot. So then the lowest value is 40. So we're going to put a dot there and connect. And our biggest one is 95 and connect. So what you do when you're making this is we're seeing how it's distributed. And the smaller the section, that means there's more jackets that we can find in this price range. So we've got a lot of jackets that are here. We got a lot of jackets here. Now these sections are bigger. That means there's not as many jackets in that price range. They get more spread out and there's more jackets here. So chances of me finding